Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a really quick and easy way to grow dragon fruits from seed. If you are wondering where you can get the seeds from, you can literally just go and buy a dragon fruit from the store, take the seeds out of that, and you should have no trouble sprouting those, and that's where I got my seeds from. So I'm going to be showing you that method, but make sure you stick around till the end of the video as well, because after I show you how to do it, I'm going to be showing you a year's worth of growth on those dragon fruits, because I have waited a year to post this video. So that you guys can see how much growth they put on after a year. So check out that, but otherwise let's get into how to do it.
Okay, so here we have some dragon fruit seedlings. As you can see, there's a heap in there, and most of them have sprouted, either just the root so far or turned into a little green plant. And this has been a really good and easy method to use. I actually just chucked the dragon fruit seeds into this cup, made sure that they were all cleaned off. I just kind of smushed them against the side of the glass when there was running water, and just kind of helped rub all the little jelly capsule and get all the fruit off the seeds, and then I just left them in water, and they have all sprouted. So really easy way if you've got limited time and you don't have soil on you right at that moment and you want to get them started. Just bung them in some water, put them in an area where there's a bit of sunlight, not direct sunlight but just some sort of light, and a bit of warmth as well, and they should sprout for you really easily. And all I need to do now is just get a bunch of these seeds and or seedlings and put them in some soil and just keep them well watered. So let's go do that now.
So just a bit of an update on the dragon fruit, and as you can see it is doing amazingly well. There's even a few aerial roots growing in there. I'm super happy with how well it's grown. It's just been growing indoors on a sunny windowsill. It's had quite a lot of sun, and it's been in the warmest room of the house, so it seems to have really liked that. And it's still in the original pot that I grew it in, just with a bit of succulent and cactus potting mix, and obviously it seems to be providing everything it needs, although it is sort of growing out of the size of the pot. So I will transplant this into something a bit larger, and I might break off a big chunk of it as well and start a few little pots of it growing, and hopefully one day I'll be able to grow it big enough that it actually flowers and produces some fruit. But I'll keep you guys updated on that for sure. And yeah, hopefully you guys want to give this a go yourself, because it's a super fun project, really awesome looking plant, and unbelievable that you can just, you know, buy a fruit from the supermarket and grow a really cool plant just like this. Alright, so there we go. I've now transplanted all the dragon fruits into these larger pots, so they've got plenty of room now to continue growing nice and strong. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up below, and let me know as well if you guys are going to give this project a try yourself. I'd love to know how you get on. Alright guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.